What I'm installing now is our governor and transducer. We always do new of both. Obviously, governor and transducer failures are extremely common on these 47, 48s. The valve body mods aim to fix that, or aim to stop that from happening. But another big reason for especially governor failure is improper servicing or improper hot flushing. So hot flushing is such an important thing on these governors, because there's a tiny valve inside of that governor that if any amount of debris gets inside of that valve, it will start destroying the valve and it will cause third gear starts. So we highly recommend anybody who is installing a 48, whether it's ours or somebody else's, that get professionally hot flushed. And I'm sorry, but a can of cooler clean is not a hot flush. A can of cooler clean just is not good enough to stop these things from getting stuck.